Hello, hope you are fine. Today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 19, and today's topic is collective nouns. Here it is written some nouns name a group or collection of things. These are called collective nouns. It means when we can understand by a noun a group of things or collection of things, that is actually called collective nouns. Here there are some examples. Let's read. Collection, here bees, its collective noun is swarm. Books, library, cows, herd. Corn, sheep. Cutlery, canteen. Elephants, herd. Fish, shoal. Friends, party. Furniture, suit. Islands, group. Kittens, litter. Musician, group. Monkeys, troop. Soldiers, regiment. Oxen, team. Flowers, bunch. Thieves, gang. Wells, school. After reading this, here we are getting one exercise, that is, write the missing words. You can answer this blank from this place, but it's my advice, first time you memorize these things, then from your memory try to fill the blanks. So let's start. First one, see, here it is written a dash of cutlery. What we can write here? We can write canteen. 2 number, a dash of corn. What will be here? Here will be sheaf of corn. 3 number, a dash of friends. We know that is party of friends. 4 number, a dash of elephants. What will be here? A herd of elephants. A dash of flowers. It will be what? It will be a bunch of flowers. 6 number, a dash of thieves. What can we write? A gang of thieves. A dash of books. Here we have to write library, because books collective noun is library. 8 number, a dash of bees. What will be here? Here it will be swarm of bees. 9 number, school of dash. A school of what? A school of whales. A team of what? A team of oxen, we can write. A team of the oxen. 12 number, a suit of furniture. We know this. 13 number, a group of, we can write a group of islands. And in this place, a troop of 14 number, troop of what? Troop of, here see it is written monkeys, we can write monkeys. Troop of monkeys. 15 number, a litter of what? A litter of kittens. And this is last one, 16, a group of, we can write again, we have found a group, about group. So in this place it is written musicians, it's collective noun group, so we can write here musicians. So now it is our turn to do B number exercise. Let's see what is the question over here. Here the question is asked, write the collective nouns that are missing from these sentences. Here see 1 number, the lookout sighted a dash of whales in the distances. So in this place, every sentences we will find a clue. In this sentence here, the clue is whales, so we know its collective noun is what? Its collective noun is school. So in this place we will put that one. So it will be school of whales. Next one, 2 number, a dash of thieves held up the mail van and robbed it. Here which one is the clue? Thieves is the clue. So we will write here a gang of thieves held up the mail van and robbed it. 3 number, the explorer took photographs of a dash of elephants. So we know elephants collective noun is herd. In this place we will put that one. 4 number, a dash of fish was approaching the trawler. So here fish, we know its collective noun is shoal. In this place we will put it. A shoal of fish was approaching the trawler. Each room in the hotel had a new dash of furniture. So what we will put here? We know Furniture's collective noun is soot. So here we will put it. 6th number, the heavy wagon was drawn by a dash of oxen. In this place, we will put the collective nouns of oxen. So we know its collective noun, that is team. Here we will put it, team. 7th number, the Orkneys are a dash of islands of northern Scotland. So what can we write in this place? We can write group, because islands collective noun is group. 8th number, a dash of bees had settled on an apple tree in the orchard. Here, bees collective noun is what? Bees collective noun is swarm. 9 number, here it is written, the tabby cat was very proud of her dash of kittens. So we know kittens collective noun, that is litter. So we will put it here in this place. Now we will do C number exercise. Here it is written, use your dictionary to find which collections these collective nouns refer to. So I am helping you here and you try to do it by yourself. Okay. So and after that you can match with my one. Here galaxy, stars, orchestra, instruments or musicians. We can write musicians. Fleet, ship or ships. Troop, we know that is dancer or acrobats or actors. So we can write one, right? We can write actors. And bouquet, that is, it is all known for everybody, that is flowers. So today we have done page number 19 and the topic is collective noun. This is from Junior English book 3. Next day we will do page number 20 and there the topic is forming adjectives from nouns. Bye for today.